Hey everybody, hi, it's Alice Murray. Welcome to day 16 of 365 day sewing make challenge, where I will show you 365 days of sewing makes. I hope. I will try. And I really appreciate you tuning in. Please like this video, share it, subscribe. I really appreciate all of it. And today I want to show you this little outfit, which is a top by Butterick 6416. Fast and easy. You can see it has sleeve variations, neck variations. It's a very interesting design because the sleeves and the yoke are all just one piece. Show you the line drawings in the back. You can make it with contrast material. And it has a little slit yoke in the front, no other closures. And the pants I'm wearing is Butterick 6258. It's one of those lifestyle patterns that I love that come with a jacket, which I love. I've made this several times and I'll be showing that to you. A top, a skirt, and pants, which I am wearing. And they're just really simple pants with just an elastic top. So here is my version. Give you a twirl. It's just a loose-fitting tunic and kind of straight-legged tapered pants. And I made the tunic out of a, it's like a poly crepe woven. It's navy blue with kind of polka dots, but not perfect polka dots. So I thought it was kind of a cool pattern. And it has the seam across here, and the sleeves and the yoke are all one piece, except it has this slit here. But the back yoke is all one piece. The problem I had sewing this is right where the underarms, where this bottom piece of the top fastens onto the arms. Had real trouble in there, like not really having enough fabric to sew to. And so I had to take a couple runs at that before I got that right. And I just, this little slit opening, I just put a white button that just blends in nicely with the polka dots, with a loop fastener on it. Just a loop that I made. And the pants are, again, a polyester. They have a little bit of stretch in them, but not a lot. What I found with this pattern, this pant pattern, was that the rise of the pants was really, really low, like, so they wouldn't stay on, kind of a thing. So I added, cut off the waist and added just kind of a self band at the top because of the fact that it has some stretch in it, and made that too big, so now it's too high, so there was no happy medium with that. So I don't know, I wouldn't make this pant pattern again, but it's okay. So that is Butterick 6258. Not a fan of the pants, but really a fan of the jacket, and I'll show you that some other time. And Butterick 6416, fast and easy. It was pretty fast and easy, a little tricky. I think I would like to make it again and see if I, as I learn to be a better sewer, follow directions better and that kind of thing, if this part of it goes together a little easier. So I hope you are sewing. I hope one of my grateful thread for today is that like even as a beginner, I made this and I feel good in it and it makes me happy to wear it. And buying ready to wear clothes, I'm not shaped for the ready to wear world. I'm short, curvy, and often going shopping for ready wear clothes just makes me sad. But I can make something that I feel good in, that I'm happy to wear. And I'm very grateful for that. So I hope you're sewing. I'd like to know what you're feeling grateful for today. Just put it below in the comments. And sewing is so much fun. We'll see you again. Bye for now.